Good morning, traders. Happy Friday. It's February 5th. I'm your host, Rich Work, joined by my producer, Gino Sula, and we are your sister's boyfriends. On today's episode, we're going to get into 3 specific companies that we know are going to run super hard in the coming weeks. Why? Because they're all going to be at the Bio CEO Tech Investor Conference. This is huge. This is huge for many tickers. But no more than these. These are the hot boys. You want to keep an eye on these, especially the first 2. OCGN today at 325. She had a nice little shoot up earlier on this week, which we had a nice chance to catch at around 236 we're in at. And we're looking for a pretty big return on that due to its catalyst. Now, Ocugen is a biopharmaceutical company focused on discovering and developing and commercializing transformative therapies to treat blindness diseases. But where their real niche is their new partnership. They've recently been partnered up with BARR Biotech. Yes, they're the ones who created Covaxin, India's version of their COVID vaccine. Now, when they partnered up with Ocugen, they came stateside. And on February 2nd, they announced an execution of definitive agreement for the commercialization of Covaxin in the U.S. market. You heard it, that's a COVID vaccine, baby. It gets me so excited because we know how much Moderna's worth right now, $173 a share, and Pfizer's a cool $34.89. This is a no-brainer. OCGN is going to pop. OCGN is going to blow the roof off. It's only a matter of time, and to get in now at 325, it went up 19 cents post-market. That's nothing. We're in at 236. I'm not sweating it. We're looking for, with the right catalyst, I mean, we're risky investors here. We're looking for 90 to 110% return on this, without a doubt. And then after that, this is just going to go. I mean, this could be a long-term hold. It doesn't even need to be a short-term. I mean, we recommend taking out 50% and letting your profits ride. But after that, the sky's the limit with this bad boy. I mean, this is a COVID vaccine. Do not get it twisted. Do not underestimate the power of them. You can look at it more than just a stock at this point, the importance of it. The more I talk about it, the more I'm not even going to give it up. I'm just going to buy more. Buy on the dips and just hold. I don't know how long, but just keep holding. Let it go up. But definitely tune into this. It's going to need your attention, and you're not going to want to miss this one. You're absolutely not. Next up, we're going to have TNXP. That is Tonix Pharmaceuticals. And again, we just give you gold here. Another coronavirus vaccine in their pipeline. That's TNX-1800. That is being developed by Tonix Pharmaceuticals in a strategic collaboration with Southern Research to support the development of a vaccine to protect against the new coronavirus disease, COVID-19. We're just giving this to you on a silver platter. We want to leave you the breadcrumbs. We're not financial advisors. These are entertainment purposes only, but here we are feeding it to you by a spoon. So take note, definitely write these down. That's OCGN, TNXP, coronavirus vaccines at a conference, February 16th, the 18th. I mean, these catalysts are going to drive these up. I mean, my price target is going to change from 90 to 110% for each to holding indefinitely. So really be realistic about it. Have a good entry point. Like I said, we got into OCGN at 236. We recommend getting in as quickly as possible. We do not see her dropping very much. On the dips, we will be buying more because that's what every good investor does. You just want to eat them up, gobble these shares up. Let the bears blow them down. We like that. We're going to take them and we're going to push them up. We love bullish markets, so we want to get it. For a bonus, we have ONTX. Now, what draws our attention to this specific stock is its fluctuation in price. We know it's a biotech. We know why it's going to be there, but we're specifically watching it because it's in such a sweet zone of a price. It's at sitting around 94 cents right now. Now it's going to run up to $1. There's going to be sell-offs from all those early investors, but then the smart ones are going to hold on because they know how much farther it's going to go. Let it drop back down. It may bust a little bit below 90, and you buy them up. Again, gobble them up, eat them up, buy more shares. That's what we like to do here, your sister's boyfriend. We want it all. We want everything. Eat them up. She's going to blow past $1 and just buckle up. That's how we like to look at this. That's how we like to treat it. Again, have a safe exit point that you're comfortable with. It doesn't need to be 70 to 110% like we usually shoot for. It can be 20%. Remember, the more you invest, the shorter amount of time you have to wait to pull your investment out to make that type of money. 20%, there's nothing wrong with that. Again, these have strong catalysts coming up in the future, so we're going to hold them to the limit. This doesn't happen more than a few times a year. These are big. I mean, I'm clearing a lot of my portfolio, and I'm really going to focus on this conference. I'm really going to focus on OCGN. I'm really going to focus on TNXP, and you should too. Again, I'm Rich Wark. I'm your host, my producer, Gino Sula. We wanted to give this to you guys, bring the attention to you. Definitely tune in, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, drop any other tickers you want us to look into, give us an idea for a video that we can make for you. That's what this is all about. And definitely check back in. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.